Today, at the beginning of the European session, the pound sterling nosedived, thus affecting the euro. There are several reasons for such behavior. Firstly, comments provided by Jerome Powell boosted the US dollar. And secondly, the UK macroeconomic reports increased pressure on the euro. In our video review, we will take a closer look at the situation. The UK retail sales growth slackened to 0.9% from 7.2%. According to the most pessimistic forecast, the indicator should have tumbled to 2.8%. At the same time, market participants had expected to drop to 2.9%. In other words, all the predictions pointed to dramatic decline in consumer activity, which is the main economic indicator. However, the real data turned out to be even worse and led to a slump in the pound sterling. Later, decline in British currency became even faster due to weak preliminary estimates on the UK PMI. Thus, the services PMI dropped to 58.3 points from 62.6 instead of declining to 58.9. However, the manufacturing PMI, which should have decreased to 54.8 points from 55.2, inched up to 55.3 points. Since the services PMI is of primary importance, the composite PMI slid to 57.6 points from 60.9. Economists had anticipated a smaller drop to 59.6. Meanwhile, in the EUROZONE, the final data significantly exceeded the forecast. The services PMI rose to 57.7 points from 55.6 instead of falling to 55 points. The manufacturing PMI slid to 55.3 points from 56.5, whereas analysts had expected a decrease to 54.9. As a result, the composite PMI advanced to 55.8 points from 54.9, thanks to a rise in the services PMI. Analysts had foreseen a drop to 54.2 points. However, these positive figures allowed the euro to just keep its positions. The jump was prevented by the weak data from the UK. Nevertheless, at the beginning of the US trade, the single currency may strengthen, whereas the pound sterling will have a chance to recoup some of its losses. The fact is that forecasts for US business activity are absolutely negative. Let us focus on the trading charts. When rebounding, the euro-dollar pair hit the level of 1.0935, thus causing a drop in the volume of long positions. This in turn spurred a change in the market sentiment and pushed the pair back to 1.08. At the moment, the price is hovering below 1.08, signaling the end of the recent rebound. Once the price settles below 1.0750 on the forward chart, traders will receive a sell signal. Until then, the pair may either rebound or enter a sideways channel. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair bounced from the support level of 1.30. After that, it slightly advanced, but then reversed at 1.3080. As a result, the quote returned to the support level, completing the rebound process. At the beginning of the European session, the decline in the pound-dollar pair accelerated, thus leading to a break of the psychological area and its lower limit of 1.2950. Against this backdrop, the midterm downtrend is likely to continue. And that's all for today. We wish you profitable trading and have a nice weekend, and see you on our channel on Monday.